Focus. Hey guys, Leslie Kane Pro here, and I have great news for the American Samsung fans. It is Samsung's 10th anniversary, so you are able to get free Samsung Galaxy Air earbuds when you purchase an S10 from the website, and also you get free YouTube Premium for a year, and also you get free Google Play Music for a year. That's very good. But then it's only available for Americans. So I'll leave a link to the Samsung American website in the description. You can check that out. And also, if you are getting an S10 from Verizon, you can get an S10e when you purchase an S10. A free S10e when you purchase an S10. So that's a really good deal. I'll leave a link to that in the description too. Yeah. It's a shame that it's not available for we that are in the UK, but yeah. And also it lasts this entire month, so you have till the end of this month to buy an S10. So yeah. And also another update on the screen protector. Let me just get it. For the screen protector for the S7, don't buy it. Just don't buy it. Like, look at it. It was raining. Got my phone out and it let water seep under my screen, under the screen protector. So it's utter nonsense. Yeah, but if you still want to buy it, I will still leave the link in the description to that. So yeah, thank you all for watching, and happy 10th anniversary for Samsung. Peace.